Hi friends, this is Pratyanshu. Today I discuss associativity property for whole numbers, integers and for rational numbers. So first discuss for whole number. First discuss for whole numbers. For whole numbers, these four operations, first for addition, then for subtraction, then for multiplication, and last for division. If I discuss associativity property for addition, then this means a plus in bracket b plus c then equal to a plus b in bracket plus c. So for whole numbers, for addition is associative, so follow associativity property. For subtraction also follow associativity property. For multiplication, if I in multiplication I take an example 2 into 3 into 5, the answer is 2 into 15 which is equal to 30. If I take in this way 2 into 3 in bracket into 5, this is equal to 6 into 5 is 30. So in both case the answer is same, so we can say follow associativity property. Or sorry, in the case of subtraction it not follow associativity property. If I take example 2 minus 3 minus 1, the answer is 2 minus 2 equal to 0. And in the case of 2 minus 3 minus 1, then minus 1 minus 1, so answer is minus 2. So both answers are different. So in the case of subtraction for whole numbers, associativity property is not follow. Now in the case of division, in same case as well as subtraction, not follow associativity property. Now for integers. Now for integers, and in case of addition. In case of addition for integers, then we take by example, let's take minus 2 plus minus 3 plus 4. So the answer is minus 2 plus 1 which is equal to minus 1. And if I take in this way, then the answer is minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 4, then are the same answer minus 1. So follow. So addition is associative in the case of integers. Now I take subtraction. Now I take subtraction. In case of subtraction, if I take example 5 minus 7 minus 3 is not equal to 5 minus 7 minus 3. So not follow associative property. Now in case of multiplication, if I take then minus 4 into minus 8 into minus 5, the answer is minus 4 into 40 which is equal to minus 160. If I take in this way minus 4 into minus 8 into minus 5. So the answer is, this is 32 into 50 minus 160. So the same answer got in both situations. So multiplication is follow associative property for integers. In case of division, let's say take in minus 10 divide by 2 is divide by minus 5 is not equal to minus 10 divided by 2 divided by minus 5 is not equal. So division is not associative in case of integers. So I discuss in this page associativity property for whole numbers and for integers. And in next page I discuss associativity property for rational numbers. Now discuss associativity property for rational numbers. If I take example, or if I take in case of addition, I take example minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 5 by 6. If I find answer, then first I solve bracket, then minus 2 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3 plus, if I add these two, then LCM is 30, then 5 6 are 30, 6 3 are 18, 6 5 are 13, and 5 multiplied by minus 5, then it is minus 25. Then it's take minus 2 by 3 plus minus 7 by 30. So it's I take 30 as a LCM, 3 10 are 30, then 10 multiplied by 2, it's minus 20 minus 7. So it I take minus 27 by 30, and if I convert into simpler form, then it is minus 9 by 10. If I take in the associative form, like a minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5, it add in first, then add in minus 5 by 6. So first I solve this, then it is equal to minus 1 by 15 plus minus 5 by 6, which is equal to minus 27 by 30, or we can say minus 9 by 10. So you can see in both situation the answer is same. So we can say addition is associative. So we can say addition is associative for rational number. In same thing or in same manner, if you check you check for a subtraction, like as this, a minus b minus c equal to a minus b minus c, then it is not associative. Check by yourself. And in case of multiplication, a into b into c which is equal to A into B into C, where A, B and C are rational number, and check yourself in homework or in interesting fact, take value of A, B and C as your choice and check these two value. Then and check these two value, then it is always equal. Then it is always equal. So multiplication is associative. So the multiplication is associative. Now if we take division, division in associative form means A divided by B divided by C. First solve this bracket, then divide by C. And in another form, B divided by C, solve in first, then divided by A. And take the value of A, B and C as your choice in rational number, then these are not always equal. So this is not associative. So this is not associative. So we can say in general form, for rational number, addition and multiplication are associative, but subtraction and division are not associative. Are not associative. Now let's take an example. Now if I take example, or we can say example, I take an example for on this property in next page. Now I take this example and I solve this expression. If I take two pairs in one time, I can take minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into 15 by 16 into minus 14 by 9. This is a way to solve this. Or we can take in this other form, taking two other pair minus 4 by 5 into 15 by 16 into 3 by 7 into minus 14 by 9 using commutativity and associativity property. Now I solve in first form. If I take these two, minus 4 into 3 minus 12, 5 7 ja 15 into, if I multiply this, then it is minus 210 upon 144. And if I solve these two, then answer is minus 1 by 2, or we can say, sorry, we say plus 1 by 2 is the answer. And if I solve by this form, then I also get 1 by 2 as a answer. So I hope you understand the associativity property for rational number. So please download the Scholar Learning app, and if you already download this, then enjoy learning. Thanks to watching this video.